Okay gang, it's about my first vehicle. I'll give you a tour around it. It's got armored fire patrol car. This guy can go up to 100 kilometers an hour. Stands about 4 feet high, and this shit can run on water as well. W, bro. The tire is almost as big as me. Alright, come in. Asbestos Maxing. Here we have the turret, the drive and the guns. And here is where the passenger is gonna sit. And then here is the engine and my seat. So what you think? I got all these just for 2K, gang.